So to be able to play with your friends in a Minecraft server with mods, first you need to make sure that your Minecraft launcher is using Forge. As you can see, I'm using Forge Optifine. So after you make sure that, go to your Minecraft server, go to More, then Versions. Over here, go to Forge, then install the 1.21.11 or whatever version you'd like to install, and then press install. Until the server is starting, open a new tab and search Minecraft mods. Over here you should see two websites, CurseForge and Modern. You can choose either one of them, but I prefer Modern. Now open this and choose the game version. I've chosen 1.21.11 as that's my server version, and choose the loader as Forge. Now all these mods are compatible with your server. So for example, let's just say, so for this video I'm going to use this mod. So press download and choose your Minecraft version, then platform as Forge, then press download. Save it anywhere you would like to save. Then go back to your server. First of all, stop the server, then go to files, go to mods. Over here just drag and drop the mod. As you can see, the mod has been uploaded. Now hold Windows and press R. Over here type percentage app data percentage, then press OK. After that, go to Minecraft, then scroll down and click on the mods folder. So over here in the mods folder, you need to make sure you need to upload the same mod which you just uploaded over here, or else you won't be able to join your Minecraft server. So after doing that, just close this and launch your Minecraft. Till your Minecraft's launching, go to the terminal and restart your server. Until the server is starting, if you don't yet have a Minecraft server, you can just go to AzelHost.in, go to hosting, then Minecraft. Over here, you can get a Minecraft server instantly. And if you're planning on a heavily modded server, the Obsidian plan should be the best for you. But if you're making a normal SMP with a few mods, the gold plan should be the best for you. So the server has started. Now click on this address to copy it. Now go to your Minecraft, press add server, paste it over here, then press done. And now just join the server. As you can see, I just joined the server. To test out this carry on mod, if I shift and right click the sheep, I should be able to pick it up. As you can see, I'm able to pick up the sheep. The mod is working, and it's that simple to make a modded server in AzelHost. And if you don't yet have a Minecraft server, use the code NERD for a 5% discount on your first purchase.